Guys, today in this video we are going to study a new topic. The name of the topic is money. In this video we will see the definition of money, various currencies which are being used in our country, how to express money into words and conversion of rupees into paise and paise into rupees. Okay guys, then we will see how to make addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of money by taking a daily life example. Now first we start with the definition of money. Definition: money is an object or medium by which a seller and buyer exchange their goods and product to each others. Now definition of currency: coins or notes whose face value is accepted by all, that is, it may be accepted by a particular country man or other country man too. Okay guys, now see various currencies which are being used in our country. Okay, one by one. See, this one is a 50 paise coin. Okay, this one is a 1 rupee coin. Okay, this one is a 2 rupee coin. This one is a 5 rupee coin, and see, this one is a 10 rupee coin. Okay guys, now see various notes in our country. Okay, this one is a 10 rupees note. Okay, why I am telling 10 rupees? Because here rupees 10 is written. Okay, now see this one is a 20 rupees note. Okay, why I am saying this? Because here rupees 20 is printed. Okay guys, now see another note. This one is a 50 rupees note. Okay, why I am saying this? Because here rupees 50 is written, or you can say printed on this note. Okay guys, now see, this one is a 100 rupees note. Okay, and see another note, this one is a 200 rupees note. See here, rupees of 200 is written or printed here. Okay, now see another note, this one is a rupee of 500. Okay guys, now time to start our topic in detail. See here, rupee, and this is written like this. Okay, then rupee is a singular term, then rupees is a plural term. Okay, now second unit of money is paisa. Plural term of paisa is paise. Okay, so this one is a singular term, this one is a plural term. Okay guys, you know rupees of 1 equal to 100 paise. Okay, now you can write this one, 100 paise equal to rupee of 1, then 1 paise equal to rupee 1 by 100. Okay guys, now next we will see how to express money into words. How to write money into words, or you can say express into words. See, suppose we have rupees of 38.73, then how we can write it in words? So first of all, we write rupees, R in capital letter, then 38 and paise 73. Okay guys, now take another example, rupees 1.05. Okay, so we write here rupee 1 and paise 5. Okay, guys, you can write here rupee 0.05 equal to 5 paise. Okay, how it comes? See, you know guys, 1 paisa equal to rupee 1 by 100. Okay, if we multiply both side by 5, then it becomes 5 into 1 paisa equal to 5 into rupees 1 by 100, or you can write here 5 paise equal to rupee 5 by 100. Okay, this is equal to rupee 0.05. Okay, how I write this. Okay, this is a simply division of a decimal number. Okay guys, see 5 by 100. So if you are getting any difficulty to understand, kindly watch my earlier video based on decimal, whose link is given in a description box guys. Okay, now next we will see how to make conversion of rupees into paise. Conversion of rupees into paise. Okay, suppose somebody has given 33 rupees and he is asking to you express it into paise. Okay guys, so solution, first of all you write this one rupees 33, then we can also write 33 multiply 1 rupee. Guys, you know 1 rupees equal to 100 paise. Okay, so we put here value of 1 rupees. Okay, so this is a simple multiplication. Okay, so this is 3300 paise. So guys, 33 into 100 equal to 3300. Now suppose 33 into 200 equal to 600. Okay, and 33 into 10,000 equal to. Okay guys, now see how the logic is work here. First we multiply 33 into 1. 33 into 1 equal to 33. How many zeros are available in 100? 2 zeros. So simply put 2 zeros at extreme right. Okay, for this one 33 into 2, 66. Then there are 2 zeros are available in 200. So simply put 2 zeros at extreme right. Okay, extreme right what, 66 here, then right of this one 0 0. For this one 33 into 1 33, then how many zeros are available, 4. So simply put 4 zeros. Okay guys, now see other example, conversion of paise into rupees. Okay, suppose somebody has given you 2352 paise. Okay, and now he is asking you express into rupee term. So solution, you write simply here 2352 paise. Okay, you know guys, rupees of 1 by 100 equal to 1 paisa. So you can write here 2352 guna, or you can say multiply by 1 paisa, then value of 1 paisa put here, then this becomes rupee of 1 by 100. When you make solution of these things, then this is a solution. Okay, now guys we will see next addition of money. Addition of money. Now question, add rupees of 73.27 comma rupees of 48.86 and rupees of 0.07. Okay guys, so solution is, we write rupees first, then 73.27, then we write 48.86. okay, then we rupees 0.07. okay, put a addition sign or you can say plus sign. okay, now this is becomes to 20, 0, 2 is carry, then 12, then 1 is carry, then 2, then again 1 is carry, this is okay. So our final solution is rupees of 122.20. okay guys, now if you are getting any difficulty to making the addition of a decimal numbers, here these are the decimal numbers. okay, suppose this one. okay, so simply these are the addition of a okay decimal number. okay, so if you are getting any difficulty, you see my earlier uploaded YouTube video based on addition of decimal number. Link is given in a description box guys. Now take another example. okay, suppose question here written 42.35 पैसे plus sign rupees of 32.37. okay, now add here. suppose here written add this paise means 4235 paise plus rupees of 32.37. okay guys, so how you make solution? see, in any system if you work, the unit must be same. But what is unit here? Here paise or here rupees. okay, so first of all you convert this paise into rupee. okay, so this is equivalent to 4235 divided by 100 rupee. okay, then this is becomes rupee of 42.35. now see, this paisa converted into terms of rupee now, rupee of 42.335. now make a simple addition of rupee. write rupee term first, then 42.35, then rupee 32.37. okay, this one is a simple addition. this is equal to 2, this is equal to 7, 1 is carry here because 5 and 7 12, 1 carry, 3 plus 3 6 plus 1 7. now this is equal to 4, this is equal to 7. so our final solution is 74 rupees and 72 paise. okay guys, next we will see subtraction of money. now subtraction of money. okay guys, a question or you can say a daily life example. suppose Geeta has a rupees of 50 note. okay, now she wants to purchase a pencil whose price is rupees 4.78. then how much Geeta get return from a shopkeeper when she buys a pencil. Okay guys, now solution. How to make a solution? See, this is a pencil, or this one is a 50 rupees note. Okay, here rupees 50 is written. Okay guys, see, this one is a pencil here. Okay, now how to make solution of such question? So first of all we write here price of a pencil is rupees 4.78. Geeta has a note of rupees 50 here. Okay, now what is the meaning of this question? When Geeta gives a 50 rupees note to the shopkeeper, then how much she return when she purchase a one pencil? Okay, so this one is a simple subtraction. So write down rupees of 50 here, then minus sign rupees of 4.78. Okay, now how I have written this one? Okay, for more clarity kindly see my earlier uploaded video based on subtraction of decimal number. The link is given in a description box. Okay, now this one is a 0, this one is 8. 8 is greater than 0, so one carry is taken by this 0 from this one, so this becomes 10. So this is 10 minus 8 equal to 2. This is 9. 9 minus 7 equal to 2. Okay, 1 is carry given by this one, then it is also 9 here. 9 minus 4 equal to 5, or 1 is carry given by 5, though this is equal to 4. Okay, so our final solution is this one. So you can say Geeta gets a pencil, okay, and add rupees of 45.22 equivalent to rupees of 50. Meaning is here this Geeta gets one pencil here and also get a 45.22 rupees from shopkeeper, and she will give a note of 50 to shopkeeper. Okay guys, now see multiplication of money. Okay, now multiplication of money. Okay, now question: price of one pen holder is Rs 42.72. What is a price of such 6 pen holders. Okay guys, so solution here. So price of one pen holder is Rs 42.72. okay, then what is a price of such 6 pen holders? So here we simply write here price of 6 pen holders equal to rupees of 42.72 multiplied by 6. Guys, when you know 1 unit rate and multiply by here 6, so you can say it is a unitary method. Means if you know the price of a unit price, then you can calculate a price of more or less such thing. Okay guys, now see, we write here 42.72 multiply by 6, then this is equal to 2, then this is equal to 3, 4 is carry, then 16, 1 is carry, then 25. Okay guys, now so our solution is here rupees of 256.32. okay, now how the multiplication of this decimal number is being done here? For more clarity, you may see my earlier YouTube video uploaded in YouTube, that is multiplication of a decimal number. The link of that video is given in a description box. Okay guys, now next we will see division of money. Okay, division of money. See the example question. Price of 1 dozen rubber bands is Rs 75. Then what is price of 7 rubber band? Solution. Okay, first of all you guys know what is the meaning of dozen. Okay, see, these are the rubber bands. See, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. So 1 dozen equal to, you can say 1 dozen equal to 12 pieces. Okay, now a similar item, see, all are a similar item here. Okay, now so we use here unitary method, means you have to calculate price of one rubber band. Okay, so question is given price of 1 dozen, or you can say or 12 pieces of rubber bands equal to rupees of 75. Then price of 1 rubber band equal to rupees 75 by 12. Okay, how could you make division here? 75, 12. Okay, now 12 6 is 72, then 6, 72 is less than 75, difference is 0 3, put 1 0, put here 1 dot, then 24, then 6, then 0, okay, 2, then this one is equal to this one. Okay, so solution is 6.25 here. Okay, so price of one rubber band is here 6.25. Guys, price of one rubber band is here 6.25 rupees. So price of 7 rubber bands, okay, equal to rupees of 6.25 multiplied by 7. Okay, so you can write like this, then this is 5, then 3 is carry, then this is equivalent to 17, 1 carry, or this is 43. Okay, so our solution is here 43.75, or you can say rupees of 43.73. So our solution is here 43.75. So price of such 7 hair bands equal to this one. Hope guys you enjoyed this video by listening and watching. Please like and subscribe and share to your friends and family, so they also get benefit from this channel. Thank you very much. Okay guys, now guys we will meet in next video with a measurement of length, mass and capacity. Thank you once again. Have a nice day.